How is it going, everyone? So this video is going to be an introductory video to a new playlist that I've been working on for a while, and it's just going to be about ICT concepts, right? So ICT trading concepts explained briefly, under 5 minutes. Yes, under 5 minutes. So I'm just going to try and break down and explain everything in the shortest possible time. So if you do not know about ICT trading, well, ICT trading concept is basically a methodology, right, or a way of trading that focuses more on price action, right, and does not involve much use of indicators, but just focus on market structure and price action. So that doesn't mean that indicators are altogether the problem, right? You might be using indicators and using it well, and if it's working for you, well, all the best. But from my experience as a trader, starting up from a beginner and all, trying various methods like the supply and demand, and using a few indicators here and there, all I can say is that ICT works really well, right? It's one of the strategies that work really, really, really well. Works almost like magic. I have personally seen a lot of improvement in my trading since I started implementing, ICT concepts, and it has also gained a lot of recognition among traders, even because it is a system that works really well. So, of course, I'm not the inventor of this. You can just go on YouTube and then you type ICT trading. You should find his own channel, which is the Inner Circle Trader, right? That's the full meaning of the ICT, by the way. And his name is Michael Hudson. You can just go on to his channel and then go through the videos. Of course, you should subscribe first, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel as well. So the thing here is you're going to find so many videos, right? If I should go to the playlist section, you're going to find so many different playlists. We have the ICT market maker primer course, we have the 2022 mentorships, we have the 2023 mentorships, so many videos, mini markets, and so on and so forth, right? And most of these videos are up to an hour long, some are even 2 hours and more, and you may get a little bit bored or confused going through the videos here and there. So I've already done the work. I've gone through most of the videos, and what I'm aiming to do in this upcoming playlist is basically explaining the concepts of ICT. So when you take order blocks, I'm going to try and explain order blocks in a very simple manner, under 5 minutes or slightly over. When we take market structure and order flow, we are going to look at that also. Basically what it is, we look at fair value gaps, we look at break of structures, change of character, and then market structure shift. Very, very important concepts in ICT, right? So we're going to look at that as well. Optimum trade entries, and then what you may know as the support and resistances, which are actually liquidity areas, or what we call buy stop hands and then sell stop hands, right? So we are going to look at that into detail as well, including so many other concepts that I haven't even added here. Let me try and add some. So we have the premium and discounted pricing. Let me just put that down here. We also have the power of threes, right? So we'll be looking at all these into greater detail. For instance, the premium and discount price, helps you with the entry, tells you price level is good for taking buys and also which is good for taking sells. And then also power of threes basically talks about the three market maker algorithms, or basically three different types of price action, right? So we have the accumulation, we have the manipulation, and then we also have the distribution stages, right? So we'll be looking at all these into good detail, and I'm going to try and make all the videos very simple and short, and most importantly easy to understand. So if you're looking forward to this, you want to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you do not miss when I drop the next video. Also, do like and leave a comment if you are just a beginner trading, or if you already apply ICT concept and how it has been beneficial to you. So that will be all for this video. So do stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.